So, yeah, so like I was saying, this 2018 Ford Fiesta, which we bought new almost 5 years ago, is starting to show signs of its age. And it's a shame because we don't even, there's 20, I'm looking at the odometer, 23,133 miles on it. It still drives great, but all the little stuff, you know, the volume knob I mentioned, the actuator motors, it's just, it's annoying.
The service department, every time we try to do something, they won't call us in time. They're just...
Yeah, they might have flagged us as like complaining problem customers, but they're legitimate concerns, right? Like, you know, do us a good turn. But you know, I really did want to be a Ford guy. I wanted to buy American, even though this car was made in Mexico.
Yeah.
That's, you know, that's fine. But like, I really wanted to like kind of join the team, and Ford was getting good ratings for a while there. But I gotta tell you, I'm not impressed. We're gonna switch back to Asian cars, you know. So
Yeah.
you know, we have a Toyota, and we're gonna buy a Hyundai. Hyundai has a 5-year warranty for almost everything except the cosmetic stuff, and a 10-year powertrain warranty, and that's really what sold us. You know, so we're gonna drive this Ford for a couple more days and have fun with it, but it's not gonna be ours for much longer. So.
Yep.
That's all I got to say about Ford. So, hope you guys have a pleasant day. If this helped anybody, put your comments down below. I'm sure this will activate a lot of discussion, you know. But hey, maybe the F-150s are awesome. I don't have an F-150. I have a little sedan. So, yeah. All right. Thanks. See you on the next one.